video I'm going to show you where the quadratic equation comes from. My name is Sunil Tanna. I'm a tutor and author. I'm available for one-to-one tuition both online and in person. I live in Buckinghamshire, England. Please like and subscribe. Okay, we're trying to solve the quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a technique called completing the square, and we can use that with algebra to derive the quadratic equation. So the first step is to take a as a common factor out of the first two terms. So it'll be a times x squared plus b divided by a times x plus c equals 0, because a times b divided by a will give bx, which is what we want here. So now we complete the square on the inside of this bracket. So it'll be x plus b over 2a squared. Now this is halving this value, and this will give us x squared plus ba over x, and it'll also give us an extra b squared over 4a squared. So we still have to deal with that, so put that inside the brackets here. Now we expand this bracket, so we'll have x plus b over 2a squared all times a here, times this also by a is going to be ab squared over 4a squared plus c equals 0. One of these a's will cancel out, so that a will cancel against the square here, so it will be b squared over 4a. Now we can bring these terms to the right hand side, so a x plus b over 2a squared is equal to b squared over 4a minus c. Now we need to divide both sides by a, so x plus b over 2a squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. We want to combine these two terms into one fraction, so we need to multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by 4a, so we have a common denominator. So it will be x plus b over 2a squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus, timesing top and bottom by 4a, we'll get 4ac over 4a squared. Now this is one single fraction here with a common denominator. So what we could do is combine them as one, put a minus sign, 4a squared. They're both over 4a squared. Square root both sides, so x plus b over 2a. Now for the square root of the bottom is quite simple, it's just 2a. The square root of the top, we'll have to put a square root sign around b squared minus 4ac. Now we also need to consider that we might have a positive or negative square root. So we can put plus or minus. The whole expression is plus or minus, but the simplest way to deal with that is to put it on the top, which will make the whole expression plus or minus. Now we can subtract this term inside the bracket, so we're going to get x is equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a minus b over 2a. We've already got a common denominator, and we'll just put them in one. We usually put this second fraction as the first part of over the common denominator. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that is the familiar quadratic equation.